Hi, I'm Prachi. I'm lactation consultant from Lactation Support. In last video, we discussed about tips to manage fussy babies. In this video, we shall be discussing about how to manage babies with colic pain. So, what is colic pain? Colic pain is pain in baby's stomach. According to recent protocols, the colic pain is the pain experienced by babies younger than 5 months with normal or accelerated weight gain, with unexplained irritability or fussiness for prolonged times, and the baby cannot be easily distracted. Crying is one of the major symptoms of colic pain. Crying mainly occurs in the evening and continues for a few hours. The baby's face becomes red and flushed. Baby starts clenching the fist and bringing the knees towards the tummy. Also, the cry is high pitched. So, let's see what are the causes of colic pain. The few main causes for colic pain are lack of burping, mother having oversupply of milk, baby having cow's milk protein allergy, or gastrointestinal infections. As we have seen, the causes of colic pain are varied, because of which the treatment is also diverse for each condition, and that is why it's very important for the baby to be assessed by a pediatrician or lactation consultant before following any tips. Once you have established the cause of your baby's distress, then you can follow the tips to manage your baby's colic pain. So let's talk about managing the babies with colic pain. The first condition that we discussed, which could be causing colic pain to the babies, is lack of burping. This can be easily remedied. Burping is very important for all the babies, irrespective of whether the babies are having breast milk or formula feeding. For more information on burping the babies, the position of burping, and how and when to burp the baby, I have made another video which I am attaching in the description box below and above. If the mother is having oversupply of milk, then it is likely that there is imbalance between hind milk and fore milk that the baby is receiving during the feed. This imbalance can cause gases, tummy pain, and explosive stools. Details of managing oversupply of milk are mentioned in a post linked below in the description box. If the babies are suffering from cow's milk protein allergy, then it is very important that a breastfeeding mother eliminates all dairy from her diet. If the baby is on formula milk, then it is important to change the formula to hypoallergic one. These were cause specific tips for managing colic babies. Now some general tips to manage colic babies. First is colic hold. Colic hold can be done either on lap or on any hand. So you can place the baby on your hand like this. You're supporting the head and turning it on one side, making sure that the hand is not trapped between your body and your hand, and then supporting the lower back. You can maintain this position for the baby. You can either do it on this hand or on the lap. A light massage on tummy in circular movements. You can use 2 to 3 fingers and do circular movements slowly 4 to 5 times, and then bend the knees and bring it on the tummy. Press for 5 counts and go back. Repeat this 4 to 5 times till the gas is relieved. Whenever possible, hold the baby when baby is experiencing pain. It is a proven fact that whenever the baby is held by somebody, baby experiences less stress and feels more secure. The other important tip to manage colic pain is family support. It is very important that there are people to take turns to manage the baby having pain. Ensure that mother has additional help to finish the housework. Also, when mother is alone and managing a baby with colic pain, it is important that she has food and water wherever she is sitting with the baby so that she can keep herself hydrated and well fed. This will help the mother to manage the baby more efficiently. So, these are few things that you can do to manage your baby having colic pain. The free printable as well as the detailed post regarding management of colic pain is linked in the description box below.
This is Audio and this is Tresha. If you want such more content, visit our website www.prachilactation.com and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.